Imagine waking up one morning, stepping outside, and noticing something odd in the night sky. A small black dot where stars seem to vanish. Congratulations. That's a black hole, and it's now inside our solar system. Terrifying. Yes. But let's have some fun and see what would actually happen if black holes just started popping up around us. First, let's clear something up. Black holes don't wander around looking for planets to eat like cosmic vacuum cleaners. They only pull in things that come dangerously close. If one appeared far away, say at the edge of the solar system, it wouldn't instantly kill us, it would just sit there, quietly bending starlight like some cosmic Instagram filter. But the closer it gets, the worse things become. Let's drop one right beyond Neptune. Out there, it would start tugging on the orbits of the outer planets. The solar system is basically a delicate clock, and a black hole is like throwing a bowling ball onto the gears. Neptune, Uranus, and even Pluto would begin to wobble, their paths shifting in ways astronomers would notice immediately. Now let's move it closer, around Jupiter. That's where things get crazy. Jupiter is massive, the big brother planet that keeps a lot of dangerous comets away from us. If a black hole appeared nearby, its gravity would fight Jupiter's, slingshotting asteroids and comets all over the solar system. Earth could suddenly find itself in the middle of a cosmic dodgeball game. Spoiler, we wouldn't win. But what if a black hole appeared as close as Earth's orbit? Well, bad news. Earth would quickly spiral into it. Depending on its size, it could shred our planet apart before swallowing it. That's because of something called spaghettification. Imagine stretching a piece of spaghetti, one end pulled much harder than the other. That's what a black hole does, stretching planets, spaceships, and unfortunately us, into long, thin strings of matter. Not the pasta dinner we were hoping for. Here's the nightmare scenario. What if multiple black holes started appearing randomly? The solar system would turn into a pinball machine of chaos. Orbits would collapse. Planets could smash into each other or get hurled into deep space. And the sun? Even it might not survive if a black hole appeared too close. A black hole just a few times heavier than the sun could gobble it up like a snack, leaving us floating in darkness. But here's the most surprising part. Not all black holes are huge. If tiny black holes, ones the size of atoms, started appearing, they could zip right through planets without being noticed. These micro black holes might pass straight through Earth, creating tiny earthquakes or strange flashes of energy before disappearing back into space. That's spooky, but also kind of cool. So what's the big reveal? If black holes started appearing in our solar system, we wouldn't just face destruction. We might also gain the chance to study the weirdest objects in the universe up close. Black holes are like cheat codes for physics. They bend space, time, and even our imagination. Of course, that knowledge wouldn't help much if one showed up in your backyard. But hey, at least scientists would be excited on the way out. So, what's the takeaway? Black holes inside our solar system would almost certainly mean chaos and doom. But until that happens, they remain mysterious, fascinating objects safely tucked away light years from us. And maybe that's exactly where they should stay. If you enjoyed this what if dive into cosmic doom, make sure to hit like, drop a comment about your wildest black hole theory, and subscribe for more sciencey fun. Who knows? Next time, we might ask what would happen if the sun just disappeared.